Hi everyone, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. And in this video, we will see how to increase speed and improve performance of Photoshop. So without any delay, let's jump in and learn some quick tricks to speed up your Photoshop software. First, allocate more RAM to Photoshop. Go to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and adjust the memory usage slider to give Photoshop more RAM. Now optimize your scratch disk. Choose a fast empty drive if you have one. I have only C drive in this list, so in this case for me this is the only possible option. Disable any plugins you don't need. Go to Edit, Preferences, Plugins, and uncheck unnecessary plugins. As you can see, I don't have any plugins in this list and I will skip this one. The next one is adjusting the cache levels. Go to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and set cache levels to 4 or higher. Then reduce the history states. In the same menu, lower the history states. Turn off animated zoom by going to Edit, Preference, General, and then uncheck the animated zoom. Next, disable GPU acceleration. Go to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and uncheck Use Graphics Processor. Also close any documents or tabs that you are not using. You can also purge memory by going to Edit, Purge, and then select all. If issues persist, reset your preferences. That's all. Finally, restart your computer to free up resources. That's all. With these steps, you can improve Photoshop much smoother and faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Studio YouTube channel. We'll meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Until then, bye bye.